Yo, yo, yo.
Hello.
In my kitchen, I'm finna cook me a steak.
I'm back. Yes, honey. And today I have my husband in the kitchen. He's going to cook a steak and shrimps. He gonna do his own, baby. Yes, that's how we do it. Yes. Mr. Ledbetter in the kitchen. So I'm gonna let him do his thing. Y'all just pay attention and watch him, honey, because I'm watching too. So, and then I'm gonna make him a little special vegetable salad without lettuce. And I'm gonna show y'all how I make the lettuce while he cook his food. Okay, well, let's get to it. Come on.
Hey, I started out with a little butter. I got my steak. And I got my shrimp. I got my beef with dog.
I did my salad already. Y'all see I got cucumber, tomato, uh, cucumbers, tomatoes, celery, bell peppers, cheese, ranch dress, and Italian dressing. So I made mine already. I'm gonna make his. I'm gonna show y'all how to do it. Go ahead. What you doing? Oh, you waiting on your 5? So I'm gonna cut up a couple of pieces of celery. And y'all already know I skin my celery because I don't like the skin on the celery. What you doing?
Waiting on my butter to melt.
That was a big piece.
Just to season that butter up a little bit with a little seasoning water.
Everybody cooking their own special way, so just keep watching. I'm watching too.
I bet you when I finish with it, she take a piece and he bite it, it'd be good.
It do look good though.
So I'm cutting up the celery.
Season water, I still like it. I had a question for you while you're doing that. Do I cook my steak first or my shrimp?
Your shrimp.
The steak, because the shrimp only gonna take a couple of minutes.
Yeah, but I'm gonna have it, the shrimp sauce.
You cook them at the same time. You ain't putting onion and bell peppers, in it. You just gonna do the saute the steak by itself?
Yeah, I ain't got time to put it on. I ain't got no onion, bell pepper, hand in it. You ain't gonna cut it up. So I might want you to go with this.
You want a whole tomato?
Yeah.
So I done cut up the celery, now I'm doing the tomato. Cut the back off first. Once you cut the back off, you can cut up the whole tomato.
I want the bag.
I'm cutting it in chunks.
You like to put them two together, right?
No, I'm gonna wait and let this steak cook a little bit. Hey, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean as I go. I'm gonna clean as I go, so when I get done, I won't have no mess.
What's our motto? Clean as you go. Huh, bro? And he didn't even know.
It was.
He didn't even know. We clean as we go. That's our motto, right? That's right. Clean as we go. And that way what? When you're done, you won't have that much to do. That's it.
Now I also have my puppies right here.
So Rhonda has her new puppy. So I did the chunks again. So now I have celery and tomatoes. I'm gonna add some cheese. celery, tomatoes.
I'm like, you gonna eat this? Yeah.
I'm adding the cheese. Just a handful. You don't need a lot. Just a handful of cheese.
Daddy, you
That's
gonna
it.
eat this
Just a
too?
handful. And now I'm gonna cut up his tomato.
Ma, here.
I mean his cucumber.
Ma.
I don't want that right now.
Give it to my daddy.
That's gonna be different. No, that's for me when I just eat my Italian dressing. And I do take. Don't do that. Avocado, which I'm not eating that. You eat the avocado and you put a little ranch and a little Italian dressing, sprinkle a little seasoning, and you got a whole salad in one. Bam. But I'm not gonna do that tonight.
Daddy, blood coming out of it.
So y'all see he cooking
They
his
got
steak.
blood.
I told you, honey, we do it all around here, honey.
Yeah. Yeah.
A steak's supposed to be cooked medium well,
Ew, that's
6
blood.
to 8 minutes on each side. It all depends on how well done you want it. If you want a well done steak, I would recommend 12 minutes on each side. But, you know, we ain't eating it like that around here. We want medium well. 6 minutes on each side.
Daddy, it's bleeding.
And now I'm doing the cucumber.
You gotta
I
spread
just
them
added the
around.
shrimp.
Spread them around.
Slicing it.
Ooh, that smells good.
Y'all go look at me cooking.
And that's his salad. I have mine fixed already. Sometimes I put the purple onion in it because I love purple onion. Why? Y'all all should already know. Because it's sweet. And a sweet purple onion goes well in the vegetable salad. Okay? This is only vegetables. I really don't care for lettuce. That's why I'm not eating lettuce. But just imagine you got lettuce in here. You know, ain't that a pretty salad? Yeah. So now we got our Italian dressing.
And go look at me cooking. Cooking me
And then we add
some morning breakfast.
some ranch. Ooh. And then give me my special seasoning that I mix. Go get my special seasoning. It's in the square thing. You gotta close your cabinet. Close your cabinet. And then, yes. Oh, I ain't put no bell pepper in his, huh?
Yeah, put bell pepper in there.
So I'm gonna cook the bell pepper, clean it out, clean out the white off the bell pepper. Clean it out to your liking. Not that, my seasoning that I mix in the container. Is it
Yes,
up there,
but you
Lebby? The one
always
that I
use.
sprinkled on this.
This
You
is
see
what you
it?
always use.
Not that though. I mix my own seasoning and make my own.
I used to think cooking was hard. Cooking ain't hard.
Yeah.
You gotta do it.
And then y'all know I have my own special seasoning that I mix.
Which is for a steak.
Put my seasoning in the salad. You can use this with anything. I don't care what it is.
Smell look good, don't it?
You use that with anything. So, there's the salad, and you mix it. And you mix it up. Okay. Bam. Vegetable salad. No lettuce. No lettuce salad. How about that? That's what we're going to call this. a no lettuce salad. Ooh, yours tastes a little better than mine. Give me a little more seasoning. I think the seasoning good.
Let me taste it.
The seasoning brought it out
I want to taste.
and made it taste better.
I want it all.
Yeah.
Where's celery?
Mm. That tastes pretty good.
Where's celery?
It's good.
I get a little more ranch.
It's healthy for you. Baby, that's enough ranch.
I like brown
The
honey.
taste is amazing. You have to taste it. The taste is awesome.
And then,
But
you like what money?
if you don't like, just cut up the vegetables that you do like. Cut them all up and put them together and try it. And see what amazing tastes you get. Try different stuff. You don't have to always do the same stuff. Try different stuff. So I'm eating celery, tomatoes, cucumbers, cheese, ranch, bell peppers, Italian dressing, and seasoning.
Ooh. This still have liver.
And when you
It still have
eat it
liver.
all together, it's a wonderful flavor in your mouth. It is wonderful. That cheese and that ranch dressing and that cucumber and that tomato, that sweet and sour, and it tastes good. What the song is? It said we got that yummy.
It's called Yummy Yum.
It said we got that yummy, 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 yummy.
It's called Yummy Yum.
It's good, yummy, yummy.
Hey, I'm gonna let my wife get a test taste.
Good. Look at that lip. That's fat. There ain't no meat. Look at that. That's fat. I don't want no fat.
Ain't that fat?
You can take that off. You overcooking it. Put it on this side where the skillet. Good. Look at these little bitty pieces. What that look like? A kindergartner. Let me taste a shrimp. Let's taste a shrimp. See what? Oh, that's a good flavor. The flavor is real good. You must have used my special seasoning.
No, I use Ronald season. Ain't no special season and none of that.
You ain't must taste it.
I know I can taste it. Come
With that in your mouth.
on. That would be awesome. To saute some shrimps and mix it in your bowl, which is that'll be an awesome taste. That was real good.
Hey, no. Wait, let me get some off your nose, baby.
I think this time it tasted better this time than with the red,
Let me get some off your
the
nose.
purple onion. It tasted good. It tasted good this way too.
Ah.
What y'all saying? Where your steak at? I didn't want any. So he decided to fix him a steak before he go back to the Virgin Islands. And this is the steak he fixed. This is his steak, y'all. Oh, y'all see how tender it was? It just fell clean off. Look at that. Ain't that pretty? Whew. Beautiful steak. He fixed it himself, y'all. He fixed it himself. Look at that. It's just flying on. Flying on.
Oh, don't eat that man's stuff.
It is so good.
She ate some stuff.
It's good in season. Got a beautiful taste to it.
No.
I'm just kind of getting away from meat. I'm so tired of eating meat. I just wanted something different. So I made the vegetable salad without the lettuce. And that was awesome. They had an awesome taste. So again, I'm gonna show y'all one more time how to do the salad with no lettuce.
I do it.
You have your celery, your tomatoes, your cucumber,
I got avocado.
your bell pepper, your cheese, your ranch dressing, your Italian dressing, and you have your seasoning. And right there will service your whole meal of a vegetable salad with no lettuce. Only thing you're missing is a lettuce, but that is a great salad without the lettuce. And if you don't like something, add something else that you like. Some people like carrots. I'm pretty sure carrots probably would taste good with it. What else?
Look.
I like purple onion with mine. I done tried,
Look, Jemiah.
I tried all kind of stuff. You might like squash. Might want to cut it up and try it in there.
Hey,
You know?
you got one of these open already?
Yeah. It all depends on,
Daddy,
what you like.
No.
It's up to you and what you like.
Yeah, this sauce will be like a delicious steak.
She got one open already.
Oh, okay.
No, I don't. Not over here.
You sure?
Yeah, there ain't none over here. They might have one open in the cabinet. Just twist it a little bit and see. So I'm just disturbing the camera. Huh? Y'all see my little hairdo or whatever? They got all duded up to go to Walmart. Threw this muumuu dress on top of my night clothes. Yes, but
Look, you see your daddy?
you see my cup. I done cleaned my cup and drunk the ranch dressing juice that was left.
Look,
It
you
was
see your
awesome,
daddy?
an awesome taste.
You see your daddy?
Heinz 57 sauce, the best sauce.
And I like mine mixed. I like Heinz 57 and A1, and I mix it together. I like it mixed. Let me see that. Let me show them that banana ketchup. This is awesome, y'all. If y'all have an Asian store, whatever area y'all live in, y'all need to try this. This is absolutely awesome. And if you want to try it, and you don't have an Asian store, inbox me in my inbox and let me know. Put it down below, and I'll purchase it and send it to y'all. But this is absolutely absolutely better than ketchup. It says Hafran hot and spicy banana sauce. That is awesome. That has an awesome taste. I'm not advertising nobody's stuff, but this is awesome. I had this with my oysters, and it said, yes, honey. That was good. Make you want to shout. But I do Heinz 57 and A1 mix
Come on.
with my steak.
Y'all see she over here tearing my steak up. I ain't got a bite yet.
It's good.
She over here tearing up my steak.
Your meat under there.
No, you eating it though.
But,
Give my puppy.
Look at Snow. Hey, Snow.
and this is Snow. Say hello. That's Snow. Snow, look at the camera. Say hello. Say, I'm going to have a snow day. We're going to have a day with Snow.
We're
We're going to have a day with Snow.
He is my puppy and he is my brother.
We're going to have a good snow day with Snow.
No.
Not in here. No, ma'am.
I'm putting him up here.
So, he got his own room. Yes. Okay, honey. So,
Hey, let's go in here, right?
I'ma let y'all see him eat and taste his own food and let him see what he say about it. You know he gonna be over dramatic.
Go.
That's both of them.
I don't know
What that is?
is.
Oh, you ain't shake it up.
No, I ain't shaking it up.
Always shake your bottle up. Always shake your bottle. Your ketchup, your hot sauce, whatever. Shake it up.
Eat your fingers off. Hey, I see why she went back for thirds. Peace out.
You ain't taste your shrimp?
Oh, I know they the bomb.
Well, I do 30 minutes. We're on 23.
Really?
Absolutely bomb.
You gotta tell her what we got that.
Yummy,
Yummy. It's yummy. It tastes good, y'all. Yeah. I'm gonna have to use that as my intro. We got that yummy. Yes, it's yummy.
Hello, yummy yum.
Yummy.
My salad my wife made me. Oh man, look at that meal. That's the meal.
That's a beautiful salad, ain't it? I ain't had this much in my, probably because it was in my little bitty cup, huh? Let me taste his, because.
Did that work?
What you put in there? Why you mess my salad up? What you added in there?
What you taste? Hey, I put a little Creole seasoning in mine.
Ugh, don't add Creole seasoning in y'all's. You done mess my salad up. Some Creole seasoning. They messed up the taste. Don't add that seasoning.
Let me see if the taste messed up.
Let's see.
Let me take this. Let me look at the taste.
Really, Daddy?
Take it, that man.
Over the man.
Smell that man.
Over dramatic.
Huh?
My baby tastes it.
Talk about me smacking. Sound like you smacking to me.
What it taste like, think?
Y'all so silly.
That's what I'm talking about, baby. On the real, my wife need to go on her own business and cook her own food and make money. What she need to do?
I'm gonna take a steak.
A steak?
Yep, in the Lord's timing, in His timing.
I let my daughter take the steak. She gonna tell you how to take it. Go to the camera.
We got that yummy, 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 yummy.
Let me get my daughter a shrimp.
No, shrimp deep in this.
She gonna take some shrimp for y'all. Go tell them thing, man.
That's a spoiled brat.
Tell them about the shrimp, man.
It's alright.
Oh, it's all right. It ain't yummy, yummy. It ain't yummy. It's just all right.
I'll take that.
Now give me another piece of steak.
Oh, the steak is good. And he cooked it all by himself.
You gonna have to cook another.
Yay!
All without the meat.
I like the bone, honey. I like the bone after the steak meat is all gone and that end bone with that seasoning. Oh, I love the end of the steak with that bone. Yes,
Shrimp.
I'm telling you, honey. What is my oh look, I want to show you something. What my pecan candy? Oh, y'all,
That's mine. You can have that one though.
I don't know about y'all, but today, before I get off of here, First Lady fixed some pecan candy. And I do not like pecan candy. But it's this one special pecan candy that I really like. Okay? And ever since I was a little girl, I never liked it that hard, crunchy pecan candy. And this lady named Miss Washington used to always fix this pecan candy. And she said, oh, I messed this pecan candy up. And it used to be kind of slimy and gummy and chewy. And it had a little hard, like praline on the top, right? So she used to always call me over there because she knew I liked it, the creamy, look, pecan candy. You know that.
What's your mother?
That's just this the best pecan candy you gonna eat. I don't, baby, look. Who want hard? Look at this. Look at that. Oh, no. That's what you call pecan candy. I hadn't had pecan candy like this since I was about maybe 13, 14 years old.
Chew it up first.
It's so chewy. And so good. She don't know what she done did, baby. This is the best pecan candy I have had since my childhood. Look at it. Chewy, melt in your mouth, sweet, not too sweet, finger licking, good. And her name is Miss V. Veronica Jones on Facebook. She will mail it to you. She got cash out. Y'all hit her up, honey. I have not seen nobody, and I'm 46 years old now, fix this pecan candy This good. And a very, very long, long, long,
Okay, Ma.
a long time. Y'all gotta get y'all some. Y'all gotta get y'all some pecan candy. They taste like caramel. Pecan candy. This is the best pecan candy I have had since I was a little girl. It is so good. Get you some pecan candy, honey. I promise you, that's the best pecan candy you're gonna ever eat.
We ever had.
Subscribe,
Bye-bye.
share, like,
You just said
hit that button. If you don't want to watch me, that's fine. Just subscribe. Tell a friend subscribe. Say, baby, y'all got to go watch that woman. She is over there. She is crazy. That woman doing everything over there. We do it all over here, honey. Come back and see us. Because we is what? We out of
Yummy,
here.
yum.
Yummy, 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 yummy.
Bye-bye, beautiful.
Before y'all go, I'm gonna let her suck my bone because she want the bone. I'm gonna get her bone.
Ah, that's going to be over here, honey. You can't see. Bye-bye, beautifuls.